guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a filter on the BOSCH WAA28165GB washing machine. So it works on other ones, but yeah. Now normally you'll get your nails and then take it out, but the tabs are broken on this, so we just use sellotape on it because that seems the best option. Now because the tray doesn't fit under, I mean if the legs were higher than it can, but since they're like this, you have to somehow get a lower tray. I mean, this is the lowest one you got, or stick something under it to raise it up. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to lift up the machine and just stick this under it to hold it up. Then I'm going to now put that tray under there. So yeah. Make sure there's a gap there so that doesn't be leaking down. So there will be water, so towels, it will still get your floor messy and you won't be able to lift them all up. So you just unscrew this, and if too much water comes out, then just tighten it back up and do it just bit by bit. So yeah. That's out, there's a bit of dirty there, and fluff, so yeah, this can be gave a good clean after. So nothing you like do, which I didn't mention in my other filter video, is get some sort of thing. It can be a fork, it can be the end of a fork, it can be the end of a spoon, and just spin the impeller around to make sure that isn't blocked with anything. Get this spoon and just, you won't be able to see this, but put it in one of the impellers and just make sure that spins around freely. So it does, and it's worth giving inside here a nice good clean too, as you can see all that fluff there. So just stick my hand in there and just get that this way and just get that out. So now you can get the filter and put it back in. So here it is all nice and clean. Oops, dropped it. Now here it is all nice and clean. And you just put it back in there and twist it very tight so no water comes out. If you want, which I'm going to do, I'm going to put it through a rinse and spin to test for leaks. So that should be in the upwards position, or a bit more that way. So that shows it's tight. I'm not going to bother because I did it up pretty tight, but if you're worried about it leaking, then you just leave the cover off and give it a wash, a test wash. And if it leaks, it may be the seal in it that is a bit broken, or you didn't just tighten it up properly. So this will just snap into place, but like I said, the tabs broke off it, so I'm gonna have to just hold it in with that tape. So that's it. So you can see how much water came out there. So if you're not in an area where there's a drain, then I recommend you use a tray or something like that. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Now see you in another video. So yeah, bye for now.